everyone, I'm Bailey, and today I'm going to make vegan candy corn. Now, maybe you didn't know, but candy corn is not vegan. But if you want to learn how to make easy candy corn that doesn't contain any animal bones, boiled skin, ligaments, bug secretions, then stay tuned. Okay, so first we're going to add 1/4 a cup of brown rice syrup, or you could also just do light corn syrup. That really sticks in there. And then we're gonna add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Whoop. We wanna make it extra vanilla-y. 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. And you whisk it all together. Then you take 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. It's snowing!
It's snowing!
And you mix it. Getting sticky. Now we're gonna take a cup of all-purpose flour, and we're gonna put a little bit in there. Oh, or 1/2 of it in there.
I meant to do that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It got stuck. Now we'll add the rest of the flour. This is also a great workout. I'm giving you guys a wonderful YouTube video 2-in-1.
When a problem comes along, you must whisk it.
So whisking.
Sucks.
No. Okay, so once you have the big ball of dough, then we are going to separate it into 3 portions. One of them we're just gonna leave plain. This is gonna be the white part of the candy corn. The other we are going to add yellow food coloring to. And the other we're going to add orange food coloring. Oops, not quite even. Let's make it a little more even. I got Watkins assorted food coloring, no artificial food coloring, which means that it hasn't been tested on animals. It's made with 100% natural vegetable juice and spices. Okay, so let's make this one yellow. You're also going to get it on your hands. Ooh. Okay, so there's our yellow. Now, how do we make orange? Class, we mix yellow and red. Oh, look at that. That truly looks Halloween-y. Uh-oh, it's a little too red. Let's add some more yellow. Wow, look at that. Psychedelic. It's not quite orange, but it's pretty psychedelic.
In the garden from me down the hall. Don't you know that I make candy corn?
Let's see if this will help. Let's just keep adding food dye and see if it'll help. If all else fails, mix the 2 colors. Get them on the dough.
Separately, yeah.
Okay, so now when your food dye is exactly how you want it to be, you are going to wrap them in the parchment paper and put them in the freezer for 10 minutes. Okay, so when you take it out of the freezer, then you're going to take each ball. You're going to take maybe like 1/2 or 1/3 of it. You're going to get on a parchment paper with cutting board underneath and sprinkled with some all-purpose flour, and you're gonna roll it into ropes. It's like Play-Doh. Okay, and then when you got that, you're going to cut it into triangle shapes.
Candy pizzas.
So now we're gonna put this on parchment paper and we're gonna leave it in the fridge overnight to harden. And then you've got candy corn.
Yay! Candy corn, pizza, whatever the hell, it's good. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Okay everyone, so it's been a day and my vegan candy corn has been sitting in the fridge to harden. If you notice, the orange I had a little more of than the others, so I just turned it into these little candy corn balls. So, I've been already tasting them. They have the same, they taste really good. They taste just like candy corn, to me, anyway. Victoria doesn't really like candy corn, but she likes these okay. So maybe
I'd rather eat this than candy corn.
yeah, but I like candy corn and I like these. They have this like the same kind of, not hard, but you know how candy corn has kind of like that hard almost outer shell and then you bite into it and it's like chewy and flexible.
It's almost like a waxy outer shell that I don't really like. This one isn't waxy.
Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't. Well, this one doesn't have that gross confectioner's glaze that's made out of bug secretions. So that might be why it's not so waxy. But they're like little pizzas. Mine are kind of thick. You could probably roll them out a little thinner. But yeah, I hope you try this recipe and let me know if you do and how yours turn out. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time.